Hi guys, welcome to the class. In this class, our topic is our food, which is first chapter of science subject in 6th class. See, our food. What is food? What is food? The general items we consume daily in our day-to-day life to get energy is called food. What are the items we consume to get energy like rice, milk, eggs, fruits? These are the different types of food items. So this is called food. And we have our own favorite dish. Like my favorite is biryani. Like you have the same favorite dish in the same way. See, we like and we treat one special dish as our favorite, but we don't know what are the ingredients we need to make that dish and what are the sources of those ingredients and how the food is made. So in this class, we are going to discuss what is food, what are the ingredients we are going to need to prepare food, and what are the sources of food and methods of cooking. Now, let's find different varieties of food. Finding varieties of food. See, in our day-to-day life, from morning to evening, we consume different types of food items. Like in the morning, we eat breakfast. In the afternoon, we eat lunch. In evening, we eat dinner, like snacks or dinner, anything. See, in breakfast, we generally consume chapati, roti, idli, and so on. In lunch, rice, vegetables, fruits. In evening, rice, vegetables, fruits, like different types of food items we eat in different times in our day-to-day life. See, here we have different varieties of food, but we don't know what are the different items we need to make food. See, for chapati, we don't know what the ingredients we need. For suppose, let's take dal. In preparation of dal, we don't know what are the ingredients and what is the method we use to make dal. See, in our Telangana, we eat commonly rice. And generally, the food menu is this in our day-to-day life. But in special occasions like birthdays, festivals, marriages, we eat large variety of food items like biryani, sweets, puddings, so on. So, let's discuss what are food ingredients. Food ingredients. See, the items which we need to make food are called ingredients. The items which we need to prepare food are called food ingredients. See, as I told you, my favorite dish is biryani. Let's take biryani. See, biryani, we need different types of food ingredients like rice, onion, tomato, oil, spices, etc. These are the food ingredients. These are the materials we need to make biryani. So, these are the food ingredients which we use to prepare biryani. For suppose, let's take dal. To prepare dal, we need dal, water, chilli, and onion, etc. These are the food ingredients that we use to prepare dal. But have you ever wondered how we get these food ingredients? Like what are the sources of these ingredients? Let's discuss what are sources of food. Sources of food. See, generally sources of food are plants, animals, and environment. These are the food sources, means sources of food. What are sources means? From where we get food are called sources of food. See, in plants, from plants we get vegetables, fruits. In animals we get meat and eggs, milk. Let's discuss environment afterwards. See, in plants we get vegetables and fruits. See, while coming to the plants, we eat different parts of plants. See, for suppose let's take spinach and coriander. If we take spinach and coriander, these are the leaves of plant. These are the leaves of plant. So we are consuming the leaves of plant. Let's take sugarcane. This is the stem of sugarcane plant. So we are consuming stem. So in the same way, we eat different parts of plants. If we take fruits of tomato, apple tree, these are the fruits of plant. This is the stem of plant. These are the leaves of plant. So we consume and we eat different parts of plants in our daily life. While coming to the animals, we get different types of food items from different animals. If we take goat and sheep, we eat meat. We get meat. While coming to the hens, we get meat plus eggs. If we take buffalo or cow, we get milk. In the same way, we eat or we get different types of food items from different animals. While coming to the environment, let's take salt. Here, salt is a mineral and we get it from sea. So there are some food items that we get from environment. Now let's discuss different habits, food habits of people. Different food habits of people. See, as I told you, we eat rice in common. If you go to any house or any village in our Telangana, you find rice. They eat rice as the main food. Why they eat rice? Because in Telangana, rice is grown mostly. So in Telangana, mostly rice is grown. There are different types of crops that farmers cultivate, but mostly they grow rice, means paddy. They grow paddy. So we consume rice as our staple food. Why rice is grown in Telangana mostly, or paddy is grown? Due to its geographical and topographical conditions. See, while coming to the Rajasthan, in Rajasthan they grow maize and wheat mostly. So they consume roti, chapati as a major food compared to rice. So it depends upon the crops they grow in their region. Now let's see here. If we take rice is boiled. See, if we take idli is steamed. Here the method of cooking rice is different and the method of cooking idli is different. So now let's discuss different methods of preparing food. To cook rice, just we boil. If we take boiled rice, we boil raw rice and water. If we take potato chips, slices of potato are deep fried in oil. Slices of potato are deep fried in oil. If we take idli is steamed. See here, boil is one method of preparing food. Here, deep fry is one method and steaming is one method. Like this, we use different methods to make different food items. Now let's see preservatives of food. See, if you observe, if we keep outside dal for some days, dal will get spoiled within few days. If we take pickle, it is outside for so many days, but it won't get damaged or it won't get. What is the reason behind the spoil of dal and being fresh of pickle? Because they use preservatives to keep the food item fresh. In the same way, we generally use different types of preservatives to preserve different types of food. In pickle, we use oil, salt, like preservatives. You know, sugar and honey are the best preservatives. If you take jam or fruits, if they stored in sugar or honey, they are going to be fresh for several days. So these are the best preservatives. If you take a food product or you buy a food product in shop like chips, if you take chips, on the back side of the chips packet you observe pack date and expired date. See, here the date of packed is mentioned and expired date is also mentioned on the back side of the pack. Here they use gases as the preservatives to make chips to keep chips fresh in this period. Like this, we are going to preserve our food. These are called some preservatives. Up to now, we have discussed what is food, varieties of food, different types of ingredients and the sources of ingredients where we get, and different types of methods of preparing food and different types of preservatives of food. By this, we have completed our first chapter, our food. Thank you.